Here is my Forsage account, 220273. You see, I have 4 slots in the X3. As I am in since 4 days, I have 0 sponsor. I have 0 referrals. Here is a Forsage X4. I have 3 slots and 0 referrals. I need some. Join my team. Yes. So you go to my sponsors is 2375. He is my sponsor. Yes, you can see all the ID. Okay, you see 3 ID 220273. Okay, sponsor ID 2375. He has money, $970 for Ethereum. And in the Forsage X4, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. Okay, and 10 referrals. Okay, so you can see all. Okay, you will see me, you will see my referral. Okay, as there is a spillover in the Forsage X4, my sponsor is 85394. Okay, and his sponsor is ID 64, and his sponsor is ID1. Okay, so ID1 is the owner of Forsage. ID1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am in 4 level under the leader Forsage. It is a great team. Okay, in the Forsage X4, X3, my ID is ID1, ID 64, then under is ID 264. I will see 64. Okay, he has 283 referrals. He made $3,057,661. 6 figure. Okay, he has all of his slots. You can see 283 referrals, 305,761, and the ID1, he won 388,473. He has 2,110 referrals under him. Okay, he is the owner of Forsage. I think there is a big spillover, and if you join my team, you will have this advantage to be in a great team. Okay, you only have to find 3 people, then you will have the great spillover under you. And this is my ID 220273. Join me, join under me, and you will have the benefits of a great team. I am in this great team. I choose it. Okay, thank you.